Welcome to Motivation for a Better Mind, your ultimate destination for igniting the flames of inspiration and unlocking your full potential. Dive into a world where motivation isn't just a buzzword, but a guiding force that propels you towards your dreams. The human mind is a remarkable instrument, capable of astonishing feats that often remain untapped. From shaping our perceptions to influencing our actions, the power of the mind is undeniable. In American culture, the concept of harnessing this power has been a subject of fascination and exploration for centuries. One of the most significant aspects of the mind's power lies in its ability to shape our reality. Our thoughts, beliefs, and attitudes create the lens through which we view the world. This phenomenon, known as the law of attraction, suggests that positive or negative thoughts can bring corresponding experiences into our lives. Through visualization, affirmation, and mindfulness practices, individuals seek to harness this power to manifest their desires and achieve their goals. Furthermore, the mind plays a crucial role in our physical health and well-being. The field of psychosomatic medicine explores the intricate connection between our mental and physical states. Studies have shown that stress, anxiety, and negative emotions can manifest as physical symptoms, while a positive mindset can contribute to overall health and vitality. Practices such as meditation, hypnosis, and cognitive behavioral therapy aim to harness the mind's power to promote healing and enhance resilience. Moreover, the power of the mind extends to our abilities and talents. The concept of neuroplasticity, which refers to the brain's ability to reorganize and adapt, suggests that our thoughts and experiences can shape the very structure of our brains. Through deliberate practice and focused attention, individuals can enhance their skills and abilities, unlocking their full potential in various domains, from sports and arts to academics and business. In American popular culture, the idea of the mind's power has been depicted in various forms, from superhero narratives to self-help books and motivational speakers. The archetype of the mentalist, a character capable of extraordinary mental feats such as telepathy and mind control, reflects society's fascination with the untapped potential of the human mind. Moreover, the self-help industry, with its emphasis on positive thinking, goal setting, and personal empowerment, reflects the belief that individuals have the power to shape their destinies through the power of their minds. However, it is essential to recognize that the power of the mind is not without its limitations. While positive thinking and visualization can be powerful tools for personal growth, they are not a panacea for life's challenges. Mental health disorders such as depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia are complex conditions that require professional intervention and treatment. Moreover, the idea of mind over matter should not negate the importance of systemic factors such as social inequality, economic opportunity, and access to healthcare in shaping individuals' life outcomes. In conclusion, the power of the mind is a fascinating and multifaceted phenomenon that has captured the imagination of Americans for generations. From shaping our perceptions and influencing our actions to promoting healing and enhancing our abilities, the mind plays a central role in shaping our lives. By understanding and harnessing this power responsibly, individuals can unlock their full potential and create the lives they envision. However, it is essential to approach the subject with humility and nuance, recognizing that the mind's power is just one piece of the complex puzzle of human existence. Thank you to everyone who watched this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Until the next video.